Okay. Hey, this is Therese, one mother, one daughter, and I'm here to show you guys this. So I don't know. Every time I get ready to do this video, I keep thinking that I did this video before. I mean, that I showed this to you guys, but I got a lot of new people. I can't remember if it was on this channel or my other channel or just Facebook. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I got a lot of new subscribers, so y'all gonna see this again if y'all already seen it. But this is a cell phone box that I made. And wait a minute, let me show you how the cell phone box look. I gotta get the other one. Okay, so I can't find this box, but it's something like this, but it opens like this. This one doesn't open like that. It actually opens this way. And I got this on Metro PCS trying to get some new boxes, but it's the one that opens like this. So since I can't find it, I can't show you guys, but I'm pretty sure you've seen it. So I altered this box and I put some other stuff in it that I'm going to do. But I guess I kind of need a little advice. That's why I'm asking. So anyway, the top of it, I painted the whole thing in like this tan color with acrylic paint and primed it and then put the acrylic paint. And then I have this crochet lace that I got from a grab bag that someone was selling here on the YT. But I put this lace on top and then I put this crochet type lace around it. And then there's like some pink lace underneath there. I don't know if you can see it. On top of the edge of this lace because I didn't want it to show. So this lace goes all the way around and so does the rhinestones on the top and underneath. It's the same thing. Can you see the little bit of pink lace that's hanging out? Because I didn't want the edge to show, so I put this other ribbon. I keep saying lace, but this pink ribbon on top, and then I put the rhinestone on top of that because it just showed the edge of this crochet ribbon, and I didn't really like that. So the top of the inside is also painted, and I put some lace in there just to finish it over. So that is the top, and this is the bottom. We'll start with the bottom, which is also covered inside and out with that tannish paint. And then I put 3 layers of rhinestones on that. And then these little feet is the feet that you get from the Dollar Tree. Those little glass flatback bottoms, the small ones. And I used 2 on each side. And I also painted the bottom. So let me just show you real quick what this is. It's these flatback bottoms that you get from Dollar Tree. They come in the big ones and the small ones. I think they use these for like aquariums or whatever, but that's what I use that for. They make really good feet if you haven't ever used that. And they come in red too. So inside of my box, now I didn't show this before. Inside of my box, I wanted to have some black artists and black celebrities and black people, because a lot of crafts that I see, I actually did this, I think I did it for Black History Month. Last year I did the box, but I wanted to have something that, you know, that shows some of our black artists, because I noticed that a lot of people don't use that, only like around what do you call that, like around Black History Month. That's when you see some people doing that. But I wanted to have that all year round. So I'm starting to do that and put more black artists inside of my my art, because I really like that. And in this case, I love Eartha Kitt. I think she is just so beautiful. Look at that. That's like old money beautiful, right? Old money beautiful. So I made this tag. Everything I made this ribbon. I made this flower with ribbon. I put a rhinestone in the middle with a flatback pearl. And I made this tag. I printed this image off of the internet. Isn't she just gorgeous? Come on. Old money gorgeous. And I put a little lace at the bottom with some of that bling. And I made a teeny tiny bow and put a rhinestone in the middle. And the tag has lace on the front. It's like an oval hole cut out. And like for a picture frame, you can see it's an oval cut out. And I followed that same lace that I used on my project on the tag. So you can see that. I mean, it's very detailed. And that little tiny bow, it's just so gorgeous. Don't look at my finger. I got a splinter in my finger and it got infected. It's better now, but it was hurting like hell. Anyway, so that's the bow. And this is the back of it. I put a lace on the top to hang and a little bow right on the back. And I followed this all the way to the back. I love this. I love Eartha Kitt, and I just love the way this came out. This bow would be so her. Like if she would have it on her dress, it's like, oh, she's just a gorgeous woman. Even when she got older and she passed away, she was just so beautiful. So I have this Eartha Kitt. I don't really want to cover this part up, but I think I'm going to put it on there like that. I don't really want to cover that part up, but yeah, I think I'm going to put it like that. And then I have these bows that I made now. It's been a while, so I didn't use them because I don't know. The pearls are all different colors, so it's really pretty. And it has that, I don't know, like that vintage. I have the vintage look to it. So, I mean, I guess I like it, but I don't, but I do. But I don't, but I do. Then I made a smaller one that was a little different. And I want to say, I can't remember her name. I think it's DC Crafting Rooster or DC Scrapping Rooster. I think it was DC Scrapping Rooster who I seen made this, and she made it from someone else. But if I remember, I'll try to link her channel down, and you can go to her channel and try to find the video where she made this, because I made this a while ago and I can't remember. So the bottom of this is like this. This is the bottom with the feet, and the rhinestone go all the way around. And this is the little thing that comes inside of the cell phone box. And I also wrap that with lace too. So like it can hide something that's down in the bottom. You know, like, let's just say you have some jewelry and you want to hide it down at the bottom, you put it inside, and it looks like this and no one really knows that it's down there. So that's why I did that like that. I thought it would be an addition to the box. So I'm going to make some more, like Felicia Rashad and definitely Felicia Rashad. And what's the girl from The Wiz? Glenda the Good Witch. I can't remember her name. I can't remember, but she was on Sanford and Son, and the father really liked her. I can't remember, but I want to do her because I love them. But look at her beautiful face. She is old money beautiful. Not old money like, oh, she cute only because she got old money, but just gorgeous and classic. So, yeah, I just want to have some more of them in my life and be able to use them in my project. I just love the beauty of them. So, anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. I'll probably be here showing you guys some more stuff that I've done that I didn't really show you guys that I've done. And, yeah, please give this a thumbs up and leave a comment. And because it just encourages me. It doesn't take but 1 minute. And, you know, sometimes I really need that encouragement to do more and to show more. It just, I don't know. Everyone needs that. That just makes them happy. Who doesn't like compliments? So, again, this is Teresa, one mother, one daughter, and I'm out.